Logic 0, example 3.1. All right, so we're going to do interpretations. This is the first example for interpretations. And the interpretation really, literally, or technically, is this far left-hand set of columns. A and B are interpreted as being even and odd, respectively. And then that gives us the values for the variables within this expression. And then based on our lookup tables, we can determine the value of the entire expression. Of course, we're going to do what's in parentheses first. So we'll do the addition first, and then we will do the subtraction. Okay, so we're going to complete this interpretation. So like I said, the interpretation technically is the two left-hand columns. However, when I say complete an interpretation, I will often be talking about this entire table setup, including the expression and what gets filled in within the body of the table. And we'll develop this methodology somewhat more extensively in the next chapter. So this is completing an interpretation in this looser sense, and we're going to use the lookup table in order to do this. So technically the interpretation is A is even and B is odd, and then within the table here, then we can just copy over those values and we can put them in there. So that's what this table form of interpretation, this is, what we're envisioning is within the body of the table here. We're going to put the even and odd values as indicated by the far left-hand side, the actual interpretation. And then we're going to do the parentheses first. And so even plus odd, we're going to do even odd, and we're going to do addition. So that's going to be odd. Notice I'm looking up the answer in the lookup table. All right. And then now the value here of this entire expression that's in parentheses, the value of that now is odd. And that's directly below the operation that we just evaluated by looking it up in the lookup table. So this is the value of all of the parenthetical expression, and that is the left-hand input of the operation of subtraction in this larger expression. And of course, A is the right-hand input. So on the left of the subtraction, we have odd, and on the right, we have even. And we're going to evaluate that subtraction. So we're going to go to the odd even row of our lookup table. And then under the operation of subtraction, it says that when the left is odd and the right input is even, then the output of subtraction is odd. And so that means that, that means that our answer here is 1. So the answer is 1.